Yo, we just got here. We got 1% battery. We just got here. We got 1% battery. Shower. Gotta play a little bit of guitar. Breakfast. Little Borrego tour. Little Still Bernan Research Center tour. I was just like distracted. It's a 0 for that.
That's a 0, but we definitely have ants. 5? Yeah, what's the point hit?
Maybe it's like
You said 9 holes
A lot of holes,
in 1.5 meters.
man, they're really big.
And then total eaten would be
0.
I guess maybe in the notes we could put.
oh, I see.
So it's like a huge surrounding this rock.
As dry as you can.
Just like it caught on your shirt a little when you got up, but you didn't actually.
Yeah, just a little ornament. Spread that on there.
It still wasn't the choice.
A little better.
We want to see if we can find any with flowers.
It is Easter Sunday here. For our flags from yesterday. We are back on the road. Oh, now there's pollinators. Okay. Critter holes are around the cactuses. No bees when we came out. Day 3 of our bat study. 55 kilohertz laid out here. Oh yeah, I forgot my glasses. Well, on right now it's 7:19, right on the dot. They like to come out at 7:20 too. We got some super mellow night, not as much wind. Better data with that. That's where I think a little too far away. A lot more than yesterday already. And it's only 3. You can see the meter going off right there. It identifies the species right away.